Guys, what is happening to Bitcoin? We just hit $29,600 very briefly, and we've been seeing no failure of reversing towards the downside, and we've just been pumping astronomically in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin gained more than 10.5%, which is crazy. So in today's video, I'm going to be going through a bunch of stuff, a lot of technical analysis, some very crucial news, so stay tuned until the end, and we will be adding to this trading account because I will be changing our trading style. It's going to be a bit more aggressive. We're going to add some more capital to this, so stay tuned until the end. But guys, if you want to join me on the trading challenge and use Bitflex, you can head over to the link in the description below. Currently, there is no KYC required for Bitflex, and it's so easy to just deposit and begin trading. And with my link, you can get a chance to win an Apple Watch Series 8 giveaway. All you have to do is deposit 100 USDT and make at least one trade on the derivatives platform. So let's jump into the charts. The first thing that I want to begin with is this very important macro analysis, and I think it's super important. So if we look at it in the long term, what has happened for Bitcoin? I'm talking to the people that have missed the past couple of videos. So we've actually predicted this move very nicely a few videos ago, and I'll just show you a clip of this very quickly. So we can see that we're forming a hammer candle on the weekly time frame. Now this is perfect. If we close this candle looking like this in 2 days and 5 hours, this could indicate a massive reversal towards the upside, and at least get Bitcoin towards the prior swing high at $31,000. So yeah, as you can see, we predicted this move actually a couple of days ago. Unfortunately, we got stopped out because of our very tight risk management. So that's why I'm actually going to be changing the rules for this challenge. So again, stay tuned until the end for this. But on my personal account, actually, I did FOMO last night a little bit. I went in at like 28.5K and put my take profit around the swing high at $30,500. So that's been pretty crazy. I thought I was a very big degen when I did that, but Bitcoin actually ended up pumping almost, well, actually $1,000 more. So that was pretty insane. But why is this happening? Well, the first reason is if we have a look at the EMA ribbons and the 200 period moving average. I discussed this a lot of videos ago, right? The EMA ribbons began crossing into each other towards the upside. And whenever they do, the EMA ribbons tend to pull the price closer towards them. And then we see a move back up. And what happened was we saw a clear exhaustion of sellers on this very nice reversal hammer candle that I discussed in that video over there. And after we saw this very nice reversal hammer candle, alongside a couple of very important news events, it caused the price to pump very high to now $29,600. Now on this reversal candle, we had the BlackRock ETF, the BlackRock Spot ETF news. And on top of that, of course, we had this bullish reversal hammer candle that came after a small downtrend. So that was super bullish. And of course, we held the 200 period moving average and the EMA ribbons. Now on this candle, we had the Fidelity potential grayscale takeover, or that they could also be opening a Bitcoin spot ETF, and the EDX market news, which I discussed in the previous video. So go check out the previous video for that. It's just a lot of institutional money will most likely flow into Bitcoin. And on top of all those news, we had a very nice falling wedge for Bitcoin that we broke very perfectly actually towards the upside in the past 24 to 48 hours. We formed a very nice higher low on Bitcoin, and we touched this line of very important support, again, keeping this uptrend. So as I said, I believe that this could reverse us back to the swing high at $31,000. Again, my take profit is around $30,450 for that position I opened last night. So I think we can head back to this level, and we really called it perfectly. But guys, remember, of course, nothing in this video is financial advice. Always take what I say and combine it with your own TA and do wonders. We just hit 29.7, by the way, which is mind-blowing. So I do think we can come back up to the $31,000 level. Again, my take profits are at the $30,450. So that is what I'm seeing for Bitcoin on the macro scale. This news came out today. So the Fed chair, Jerome Powell, tells Congress to expect higher interest rates. Now, this could also be causing Bitcoin to pump because, as you guys know, higher interest rates means that bank balance sheets will go literally to zero. I've shown a very interesting statistics graph on the previous videos. We can also see that the balance sheets of banks are already much in the deep compared to the 2008 recession. So if interest rates continue to increase, then this will just continue to positively impact Bitcoin towards the upside. That is why we could be seeing a continuation of this pump. And It's 29,720. I can't believe this. I honestly cannot believe this. It's just a lot of people have made so much money in the past 24 hours. It's crazy. A lot of my friends have. So it's just mind blowing that we're seeing this happening. And you know, I want to now adjust the parameters for the trading challenge because this is important. So I added around 1.5K more to this account earlier on today, and I want to deposit all of that here. So what will happen is we'll have an even number of 2,500 USDT. Now what I want to do is I want to be a little bit more aggressive, right? So these are going to be my parameters. What I'm going to be doing is the $2,000 I will be trading live on YouTube. So if something happens while we're making a video or we predict that something could happen, I will be trading with this $2,000. And with the remainder $500, then I will trade this on my own when I can't make a video. So if I see something's happening or I'm opening a personal trade, then I will also do it with the 500 USDT on this account too. So that is what I'm going to be doing with the 2.5K. And our risk management is going to be very similar, but it's not going to be as tight. So it's going to be around a 20% loss. Again, I can only lose 20% per trade. But if we're executing a trade on the weekly time frame, what I'm going to do is I'm going to allow myself to put 25% of my trading portfolio into that trade. If we're doing it on daily, then I'm going to be allowing myself to put 20% of my trading portfolio into that trade. If it's anything lower than the daily time frame, then I'll only allocate 15% of my trading portfolio into a single trade. So we're going to go with that. Currently, there's no trades that I want to open. Probably a short at the 30,400 could be a cool idea, but honestly, not sure at the moment. I want to see how far this pump goes until we see some consolidation at least. So if anything major does happen, I will be updating you guys on the free Telegram channel. And guys, if you do want to join this trading challenge with me, then you can sign up to Bitflex also. It'll be cool to do it on the same exchange. And guys, by the way, if you are more of a advanced, not advanced, but if you like to use more like trading algos and like connect your trading view to your exchange, then what you can do is you can sign up to Bybit over here using my link. You can get a nice bonus. Of course, if you are a big trader as well, you can get a lot of money from the deposit bonuses. So if you use that link, you'll be taken here. All you have to do is just register, do KYC. Of course, this is a KYC exchange, but you will have those options to connect your trading view to your exchange, etc. So do check it out. It's a very beautiful exchange. I like to use both of them. I actually use Bybit for my own trades, and of course Bitflex now. I've been using it for the videos and I've really liked it. It's just awesome, really nice to use. I really feel that it's just super simple. Even a beginner can use it. So that is pretty much it for today's video, guys. Hopefully you did manage to enjoy it. So guys, thanks so much for watching. Take care, and I will see you all in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.